This occurred in crypto today. Need to realize what occurred in crypto today. Here is the most recent information on everyday patterns and occasions affecting Bitcoin cost, blockchain, DeFi, NFTs, Web3, and crypto guideline. More than $100 million in computerized resources were moved from a wallet having a place with crypto trade Poloniex in what security firms accept to be a huge hack. In the meantime, resource supervisor BlackRock has formally entered the race for a spot, Ethereum Trade Exchanged Reserve ETF, after a 19B4 recording by Nasdaq was submitted to the protections controller, and Bitcoin momentarily bested $37,000 without precedent for a year and a half. Poloniex Trade endures 100 millimeters exploit, offers 5% abundance. A crypto wallet having a place with the computerized resource trade, Poloniex has encountered dubious surges, as seen on blockchain traveler Etherscan. Blockchain security firms accept that the organization was penetrated, prompting as much as $100 million in crypto, being depleted by the aggressors. On November 10, a large number of crypto resources were moved from a record named Poloniex 4 on Etherscan. Beginning evaluations of the misfortunes were around $60 million. Nonetheless, it was subsequently resolved that more than $100 million was taken by the aggressors. As indicated by blockchain security firm KRTK, the episode was possible. A confidential key split the difference. The security firm likewise noticed that the assets have proactively been moved to 4 remotely claimed accounts, EOAs, for certain records being traded into Ether, ETH. While the trade has not distributed an authority articulation yet, Justin Sun, who obtained the trade in 2019, posted on X, previously Twitter, that the group is as of now researching the hacking occurrence. As per Sun, they will completely repay the clients impacted by the break. Sun likewise offered a 5% white cap abundance to the Poloniex programmer. The leader said that they will give the assailant 7 days to return the assets before they begin working with policing. BlackRock's spot Ethereum ETF plan is affirmed, after Nasdaq documenting BlackRock's arrangements for a spot Ethereum Trade Exchanged Reserve, ETF, has now been affirmed. Per a 19B4 structure documenting submitted to the U.S. Protections and Exchange Commission on November 9. Nasdaq recorded the 19B4 structure to Protections Controller for the benefit of the $9 trillion resource the executives firm for a proposed ETF called the iShares Ethereum Trust. The move flags BlackRock's expectation to extend past Bitcoin with its ETF goals. Prior on November 9, it arose that BlackRock enrolled corporate element iShares Ethereum Confidence in Delaware. The principal hint that a spot Ethereum ETF recording could be impending. BlackRock registers iShares Ethereum. Trust US Resource Chief BlackRock has made the most vital phase in petitioning for a spot ETH 2091 ETF. On November 9, the resource supervisor enrolled an Ethereum trust in the American province of Delaware, with Daniel Schweiger enlisted as the specialist. As indicated by his LinkedIn account, Schweiger is an overseeing chief at BlackRock. The new substance is called iShares Ethereum Trust. Ether's cost took off on the news, obscuring $2,000 interestingly since April. BlackRock gives off an impression of being widening its endeavors in the crypto space. In June, it enlisted its Bitcoin BTC $37,102 trust in practically no time prior to recording with the U.S. Protections and Trade Commission for a spot Bitcoin ETF. Bitcoin momentarily beat 37K in the midst of market-positive thinking for forthcoming spot ETF endorsements. Bitcoin momentarily outperformed the 37,000 mark without precedent for a year and a half as the more extensive business sectors reflect good faith over the forthcoming endorsement of spot BTC Trade Exchanged Reserves the use. Information from various cryptographic money market stages, including Cointelegraph Markets ACE and TradingView, showed BTC USD hitting $37,073 at 07:47 EST on November 9, preceding remembering beneath the imprint. Bitcoin's latest cost flood has been credited to the forthcoming endorsement of 12 separate spot Bitcoin ETFs throughout the following week. As per Bloomberg ETF investigators James Seifert and Eric Balchunas, the SEC has a window up until November 17 to support various high-profile contributions from conspicuous U.S. Reserve administrators. While there is a lot of display over the possible endorsement of these exceptionally expected BTC items, the two examiners have likewise noticed that there could be a slack season of a month or more before these contributions really send off.